Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to write Facebook ad copy using Jasper AI. So first head over to Google and type in write Facebook ad copy using Jasper AI. Choose this ad copy generator link. Click on it. Here you'll have a small tutorial on how you can write ad copy using Jasper AI. So generate a new document in Jasper. Click on new document on the official web page of Jasper AI. And next, navigate to the bottom and click the link to view all other Jasper templates. So choose from templates here, and 3, just select the template for the platform of your choice. Here you can choose either a Facebook template, LinkedIn template, or other social media ad template, and click on Facebook ad template. Now put the background information of your ad and your intended audience, then click on generate content to get your ad copy. So you're gonna have to choose your background info, for example add the ad copy intent and your target audience, B2B SaaS target audience, and click on generate content, and Jasper AI will create your Facebook ad copy just with your requirement and options taken in consideration. And that's it guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.